sorry that you died the way that you did. I'm so sorry for your family. I'm so sorry for your children, and I'm sorry that I wasn't there. I'm ashamed of your betrayal. And I'm grateful for your sacrifice. And knowing you has really changed my life. And one day, inshallah, in Jannah, I will have an opportunity to meet you and tell you in person. I'm so grateful to you that I'm here. And for the health of my children, for helping me to be on a better road. I have many things in my life that I need help with. And thank you for helping me to have a closer relationship with God through your life and the sacrifice and example of your life. I really wish that more people knew you. And I look forward to the opportunity to introduce you to people. Please help me to stay strong in the jihad that I have for my life to help others, to be patient, not to take insult when I'm betrayed, to have better understanding for humanity. Thank you for helping me with my life to make an example of my life.